po! Hello po! Kaway po kayo sa vlog.
Gamit ni Julie. Bida-bida kasi siya. Uwi-uwi siya dito. Kasi hey guys.
Oh, ito naman. Taray mo naman.
Hey guys.
Saying words that came across as a doubt. I reassured that every day my love is strong and gently placed in your heart.
Nandito po tayo sa may bahay na bato. Maraming tite.
Every mountain, every sea, and every shade of me.
Music video pala to.
Stay the space and time. Keep us close and keep us dear. Not just today, but every year. You were made to be a focus in my mind. But if you don't want my love, and if you want something more, said if you never wanted my love, let me know.
Kasama ko to.
To look inside.
Anong masasabi mo sa Machu Temple na to?
Nothing special.
Guys, marinig nyo ha. Hi, Beb! Or,
Yung pogi naman ng bata. Ayan, no?
pogi, di ba?
You don't want my love.
Kita po ng kasama.
Ito pa yung mga maasim na dragon. Guys, may mga maasim na dragon dito eh.
Never wanted my love. Let me know. Let me know.
Sabi mo dyan.
Kwento mo sa pagong.
Kita tayo pa.